Unscrewing mode. This is not a standard injection mode. This is an unscrewing mode designed for parts that cannot be released in a straight line. What makes it difficult is not the outside, but the hidden internal structures, undercuts, side holes, and complex geometries. All require a precise unscrewing system to form and release the part without damage. At the machining stage, precision is everything. Every core, slider, and angled surface must be produced within extremely tight tolerances. We use CNC machining ADM and wire cutting to achieve high accuracy and surface quality. But in this mode, precision is not only about fitting. It is about movements. Each component must slide, lock, and release smoothly under pressure. Even a small deviation can cause interference, wear, or failure. Assembly is where all tolerances come together and where the real difficulty is revealed. Unlike standard modes, this system requires dynamic coordination. Multiple moving parts must operate in perfect synchronization with the mode opening sequence. The timing of the unscrewing mode action is critical. If it activates too early, the part may deform or stick. If it activates too late, it can cause mechanical interference or even damage the mold. Our engineers carefully adjust stroke length, angle, and contact surfaces, ensuring precise motion, stable locking, and repeatable performance. Every detail is checked, refined, and tested. During mode trial, the system is tested under real conditions. High pressure, high temperature, and continuous cycles put the unscrewing mechanism under stress. We monitor filling, cooling, and demolding performance, then fine-tune both the mold and process parameters. The final product looks simple, but inside it reveals the complexity. Clean internal features, accurate dimensions, no defects. This is only possible when the core pulling system works flawlessly. Unscrewing modes represent one of the highest levels of mold engineering. They demand not only precision machining, but also deep understanding of mechanics, materials, and process control. From design to machining, from assembly to trial, every step requires experience, accuracy, and attention to detail. This project is more than just a mold. It is a demonstration of how complexity can be controlled, engineered, and mastered.